Alan was very excited because it was his mother's birthday. He went to the shop to buy a gift for his mother along with his dad. And they bought a nice gift and went to the billing counter. And at the billing counter, Alan was really surprised at what the shopkeeper said. The shopkeeper told his father to pay 2,510 rupees. Now, Alan was very surprised. He had never heard something like that. He knew that this is a 4-digit number, 2510. It is a 4-digit number, but what the shopkeeper has said was 2,510. Then he saw his father write a check. In the check, he wrote 2510 as the number and 2,510 as the name. So he understood that this is the number name of 2510, and he became curious to learn the number names of all the 4-digit numbers. So let us learn the number names of all 4-digit numbers. We know that every number has a number name. So Alan requested his dad to teach him the number names, and his dad readily agreed. So let us learn what are the number names and how to write them. Now when we learned the number names of 3-digit numbers, we saw that the number names are divided into 2 parts. The first part is the digit in the hundreds place. So the first part will be 900 because 9 is the hundreds digit, and the second part is the tens and ones digit together, that is 99. So the second part is 99. Similarly, a 4-digit number has 3 parts. The first part is the digit in the thousands place, the second is the digit in the hundreds place, and the third is the tens and ones digit together. So from here we have 1 in the thousands place, so this is 1000, THOUSAND, 1000. 2 as the hundreds digit, so 200, and 37 as the tens and ones digit, so this is 37. So this 4-digit number has the number name 1237. Now don't get scared looking at such a huge number name. It is actually very easy when you break it into 3 parts. So we'll do some more. What about the number name of this number? So first I look at the thousands digit, which is 2. So 2000, 2, THOUSAND, 2000. The second part is 9 in the hundreds place, so 900. And the third part is 65, 65, 60, 5. So 2965 is the number name of this number. Now what about the number name of this number? We have a 3 in the thousands place. So the first part will be 3000. So 3000. What do we have in the hundreds digit? 0. So should we write 000? No, we never write 0 hundreds. So if we have 0 in some place, we don't write it. So the second part will not have anything. What about the third part? 08 means only 8. So this will be 3008. So the number name will be 3008. Now what about this number? So there is a 4 in the thousands place. So I have 4000. Remember, I write 4000 and not 4000s. I write 4000. And what about the hundreds place? 0 hundreds. So we don't write anything. Tens and ones digit are both 0. So this is 0. So once again, we don't write anything. So this number is simply 4000. Now can you tell me the number name of this number? Well, thousands digit is 6. So this is 6000. Hundreds digit is 6 again. So 600. Tens and ones digit are 66. So 66. So the number name is 6666. Now what is the number name of this number? 9 in the thousands place. So this is 9000. 9 in the hundreds place makes the second part 900. And I have 9 in the tens and ones place, which make it 99. So this is 9999. So this is how you can write the number name of any 4-digit number. So do write some 4-digit numbers and write their number names. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.